Is the Sony WH-1000XM5 the ultimate noise-canceling headphone? Absolutely. Step into your own world with its industry-leading noise cancellation, silencing distractions like magic. Enjoy marathon listening sessions thanks to an incredible 30-hour battery life, perfect for long flights or study marathons. Seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone with multi-point connection, making productivity effortless. These aren't just headphones. They're an experience, redefining how you listen to audio and making them a top buy for 2025. Beyond the quiet, the audio quality delivers rich, immersive sound that truly elevates your music. If you're looking to buy the best wireless headphones for travel or daily use, these are a top contender. Ready to upgrade your audio? Find the best deals and purchase your Sony WH-1000XM5 directly via the Amazon link in our description. Its blend of supreme comfort, cutting-edge tech, and unmatched quiet simply can't be beaten. For an unparalleled listening journey, the Sony WH-1000XM5 comes with my highest recommendation.